Welcome back, Splunk enthusiasts. This video is brought to you by Lame Creations, log analysis made easy, where we help you master the tools and techniques to become a Splunk pro. In today's session, we're diving into the world of SPL, or Splunk Processing Language, to help you sharpen your skills and become a more powerful data investigator in Splunk. We'll be working with the BOTS version 3 dataset, Boss of the SOC, a realistic, hands-on dataset full of cybersecurity challenges that's perfect for exploring real-world scenarios and honing your search skills. Are you ready to turbocharge your search efficiency? Let me introduce you to a tool that doesn't hunt for bad things, but makes your search faster, smoother, and more precise. The SPL Fields command. While it's often overlooked, this unsung hero can drastically reduce your search time and help you quickly pinpoint the data you need without getting lost in the noise. No more hunting around endlessly. It's all about smarter searches, not harder ones. So if you're ready to level up your Splunk game and boost your search efficiency to new heights, stick around. We're diving deep into how SPL Fields is your secret weapon for faster, smarter, and cleaner searches. All right, we gave this Fields command a really big introduction, and I can't emphasize how important it is. If you haven't watched the table command, I recommend go watch the table command, and you'll see that the Fields command does almost identical stuff. We'll cover the difference right after we give a few more demos. First demo I want to show is we can just run this data here, and we can have it come back and give me the results. And you'll notice it's got a whole bunch of fields. All of this stuff that we see between these little JSON fields, that's the raw data coming back. We can see that show as raw text. If you don't say anything about it, the raw data is coming back. The table command, which we showed in the other video, can exclude that if you call out the table. Fields will do the exact same thing. We're going to jump over here and we're going to run this query. Index equals bots v3, source type equals stream TCP, and then we're going to go fields minus raw. If you use, don't put the minus, it will make those fields be visible. If you use the minus, it'll make the fields disappear. If I click this, we can see, run this last all time, our data is going to look a little bit different. We can see the raw here, the raw is gone. We only have the meta fields, host, source type, index. We can even make those go away if we want. I can say, and index. We had an index field. Index is now gone. Notice we have still the same amount of results between the two queries, but look at the time saved. Inspect job. 5.3 seconds, 9 seconds, so almost half the speed. So what is the big difference? We could do the same thing with table. What did we gain by using fields? The best way for me to explain this is, table is for viewing and letting people see stuff. And there's some overhead to actually displaying the stuff in a table. If you just want to remove fields and you don't care about how it displays to the user, you're doing a whole bunch of stuff, and the stuff you're removing doesn't need to be displayed, and even when it's done doesn't need to be displayed, use fields. Or another way of putting it is, while you're manipulating all of your Splunk queries, use fields. You do a few more things, you might do another fields here, minus more fields. And then when you're finally at the end to give a nice viewable thing to the user, then use the table command. The table command should be used one time only, and it should be pretty much the last command used. Otherwise, use the fields and gain some extra value from it. I will say, cutting out fields minus raw, once I started doing that on some of my extensively large queries, I really started to see some benefits. Instead of setting that raw data, you can tell it right here, get rid of it. It's a big, massive time save. Thanks for tuning in to Lame Creations, log analysis made easy. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest tips, tools, and tutorials to boost your log analysis skills. Want to take it a step further? Become a member to support the channel and gain exclusive early access to videos and exclusive focused training. Join us on Discord where we dive even deeper, share insights, and tackle questions together. Until next time, from Lame Creations, where we help you go from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja.